Speak it. Write it. Sing it. Come and be right. Reach across the
Ang daming paraan talaga para magpasaya ng ibang tao, no?
Oo, madami talaga yan.
Oh?
Alam mo ba? Kamuning, na ang kwento natin ngayon ay tungkol din sa pagpapasaya sa ating kapwa.
Oh?
Oo! Do you want to hear the story?
Yes!
Yes? How about you kids? Do you want to hear the story?
Yes!
Yes? Listen, I have a story. What is the story about? Listen, I have a story. What is the story? What is the story about? Ta-da! Our story for today is Sad Sally by Simon Obispo Palomares. In the land of the happy kids, there was a little girl named Sad Sally. One day the king said, "Let's make her happy!" Everybody tried to make her happy. The king jumped for Sad Sally.
What are you doing?
Sad Sally asked the king. "I am jumping," said the king. Sad Sally tried jumping, but jumping did not make her happy. Then a boy sang for Sad Sally.
What is he doing?
Sad Sally asked the king again.
He is singing,
Said the king. Sad Sally tried singing, but singing did not make her happy. Then a group of kids danced for Sad Sally.
What are they
Doing? Sad Sally asked the king again. "They are dancing," said the king. Sad Sally tried dancing, and everybody danced with her. "Dancing is fun," said Sad Sally. They danced and danced and danced. And starting that day, Sad Sally became Happy Sally. The end.
Ay, salamat. Naging masaya din si Sad Sally sa wakas. Stay happy Sally na pala.
Oo. Naging masaya siya sa tulong ng mga tao sa paligid niya.
Read it. Speak it. Write it. Sing it. Come and be right.